Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable and how to disable Meetup from showing banner notifications in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we need to scroll down to notifications and quick settings menu. Then we need to tap the banner option. And here we have our options. So first of all, we need to enable them all. So show banner notification needs to be enabled, of course. And now we're looking for the Meetup, which is right here. We can enable or disable it using this switch. If the Meetup is not here, it can be down here in the notifications blocked section. For example, as in the drive option, we need to allow it, and we have some other options right there as well. That's pretty much it. Goodbye.